Assalamu alaikum and very good morning, dear students. Today is the third and last lesson of this chapter. The chapter is the number system, and today's topics are odd and even numbers, round off numbers to the nearest 10 and 100, ordinal numbers and Roman numbers. Dear students, please open your mathematics books, Smart Mathematics, Book 4. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify and differentiate between odd and even numbers, round off numbers to the nearest 10 and 100, identify and write ordinal numbers, identify and write Roman numbers. Now, the first topic of today's lesson is odd and even numbers. Odd numbers, as you all know, this is not new thing for you, that the numbers which are not completely divisible by 2 or cannot be paired up completely are called odd numbers. If the digit at one's place is odd, the number is odd. So, for example, 243, 2 and 4 are even numbers, but because 3 is odd number, so this whole number, the complete number, is odd number. And now even numbers. The numbers which are completely divisible by 2 or pair up completely are called even numbers. If the digit at one's place is even, the number is even. For example, 756. Here 7 and 5 are odd numbers, but because 6 is even number, so the complete number is even number. And we can very easily differentiate in bigger numbers like 8-digit numbers that it is odd or even more than 8-digit numbers, because we just have to see the digit at one's place, that if it is odd, the number is odd. If it is even, so the number is even. Now this is very easy concept, and I think this is just reinforcement of your previous learning. Now come to the next topic. Round off numbers to the nearest 10 and 100. When we round off numbers to the nearest 10, we will see that the digit at one's place, if it is smaller than 5, then round down. Round down means the number will remain same. If it is greater or equals to 5, then round up by adding 1 to the tens digit. For example, round off the following numbers to the nearest 10. I think it will be clear with the help of examples. Like we will see 273. If we are rounding off this number to nearest 10, we will just see what is the number at one's place. It is 3. So 3 is less than 5. So we will round down. It means this 3 will be 0, or the round off number will be 270, and 7 will remain same. So this is called round down, because we will go towards back side or we will move backward. So the number 273 will become 270. Okay. Now here the number is 4335. Now at one's place this is 5. So we will move round up. It means 5 will be 0, but 3 we will add 1 in it. So it will be 4340. So 35 will become 40 here when we did rounding off to nearest 10. Now look at next number. This is 578. Now 8 is bigger than 5. It means we will do round up here also. So 8 will be 0, but we will add 1 in 7. So it will be 580. Now this is very interesting point, that it is necessary that there must be a 0 at the place value of ones in round off to nearest 10. Okay. So always you can see that when we round off number at one's place, there will be a 0 if we are rounding off to nearest 10. Now round off to nearest 100. The rule is same, but we will see the next digit over here. So now let's see. When we round off numbers to the nearest 100, we will see the digit at tens place. If it is smaller than 5, then round down. If it is greater or equals to 5, then round up by adding 1 to the hundreds digit. Now, for example, round off the following numbers to nearest 100. Now it is written 4632. Now we will not see the digit at ones place, but we will see the digit at tens place because we are doing round off to nearest 100. So now see, this number 3 is smaller than 5, so we will round down. It means 32 will become 2 zeros over here. 32 will be just zeros and 6 will remain 6. So 4632 round off to nearest 100 will be 4600. Now come to next number. This is 2654. Now 5 here. It means we will go round up. So 5 and 4, like 54 will be 2 zeros, but we will add up 1 in 6. So it will be 2700. So the number 2654, when we were doing round off to nearest 100, it will be 2700 or 2700. Now next number is 8572. Now just look at the number or digit at tens place. It is 7, which is bigger than 5. It means we will go round up. Now we will make 72 as 2 zeros and we will add up 1 in 5. So this is 8600. Now again the same rule which we did in nearest 10. It is necessary that there must be zeros at the place value of ones and tens in round off to nearest 100. I hope it must be clear to all of you. Very good. Yes, because you did round off to nearest 10 in previous class, and with the help of same rule we did round off to nearest 100 now. Now ordinal numbers. Again, this you did in previous class, but today we are moving to bigger numbers. So first we will revise the definition of ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are the numbers which tells us the position or rank, as position in the class, rank in the class, or in sports we use these words. Now ordinal numbers are written in a different way. As for number 1, we use word first and we write 1 with the last 2 letters of word as first, like 1 and st, the last 2 letters of first. Same things we will do with second, 2 and the last 2 letters of second and d. So when the number is bigger, it is 432nd. Okay, then the same is with sixth. It is 6 and th, sixth. So bigger number is 536th. Then the number with third. So we call 3 in ordinal number as third, and we will write last 2 letters with number 3 over here, like RD with 3. So it is third. The bigger number is 543rd. And as I just told that in first ST will come, so it is 621st. So these are the examples of ordinal numbers. You must remember your previous learning, so it is very easy to grasp. I hope you know it now. Now the last topic of today's lesson is Roman numbers. The number system which we are currently using has 10 digits in it, which are from 0 to 9, and these are called Arabic numbers. Like the numbers, I think we must think that these are maybe English numbers or American numbers, but actually these are Arabic numbers. Before the Arabic number system, the Roman number system was used frequently, and in that system we mostly use symbols and alphabets like you did in previous class from 1 till 20. But here we will do more numbers, but the rule is same. For 1 it is just one line. Then we are adding up it. So 2 lines, 3 lines. Then interesting thing, we will see next symbol, which is for 5. It is like V. But if any symbol or any alphabet is written before this symbol, so we will make it with subtraction or with minus. So 5 minus 1 is 4. And the same is with 10. 10 is the symbol X. And for 1 and X, so it means X minus 1. So 10 minus 1. So it becomes 9. Now next symbol is L for 50. And if the smaller symbol is written before this symbol, which is 10, so it means 50 minus 10, so it will be 40. Isn't it interesting rule? Yes, very good. I think you are enjoying it. So now next symbol is for 100, which is C. So, and if any smaller alphabet or symbol is written before it, it will be minus. Like C is for 100 and X for 10. So 10 is smaller, so we will do minus. So it is 100 minus 10 is 90. Now after this, for 500, the letter or the alphabet D is written. Again same rule, if any smaller alphabet or smaller value alphabet is written before it, we will minus it. So it is 500 minus C means minus 100, so it is 400. And then after it, the alphabet for 1000 is M. And if one smaller alphabet or smaller value alphabet is written before it, we will minus. So it is 1000 minus 100. M minus C means 1000 minus 100. So it will be 900. Okay. And rest of the things, if we are adding any letter after it, we will adding up. Like C is 100, so 2 C's 200, 3 C's 300, and same is here. M is 1000, 2M is 2000, and 3M is 3000. I hope you enjoyed this part of the lesson very much. Now you can summarize your lesson. What we did today, we differentiate between odd and even numbers. We did rounding off to nearest 10 and 100. We did ordinal numbers, and we did Roman numbers, which I think you enjoyed very much. Now implement your learning in your written task, and your written assignments are: task number 1, build up exercise 1 to 8, page 10 and 11 of Smart Mathematics textbook 4. Task number 2 is build up exercise 1 to 4, page 12 of Smart Mathematics textbook 4. Task number 3, build up exercise 1 and 2, page 13 of Smart Mathematics textbook 4. Then task number 4, build up exercise 1 and brush up exercise 1 and 2, page 14 of Smart Mathematics textbook 4. And your home assignments are worksheet 7, 8 and 9, page 9 to 11 of Smart Mathematics workbook 4. I hope you know the difference between task and home assignments now. The task you have to do just after this lesson, and for home assignment you are free to do before your next lesson. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Keep practicing.